Okay, what the heck? What the heck? First of all, this guy Giggles has been giving me non-stop trouble ever since I resurrected him as a undead. Feather dust dependence? Why are you dependent on feather dust when you're undead? So I was like, F it, he's not worth the trouble. I'm going to dismiss him. And I casted Dismiss Undead on him, only to realize he's not undead. He's alive? But he's definitely undead. I buried him. I unburied. I killed him, and then I buried him, and then I unburied him. That's not supposed to happen. So let's take a look at some reverts. This is from before I unburied him and resed him as a zombie. Here he is right here. Dead. And then right here we've got someone else dead. Ray Wolfen. Sure. Harry, why don't you come over here? Please unbury these people. And then res them. So we've got Giggles right here. And then some random guy, Ray Wolfen, right here. Now look at this. Ray Wolfen just runs off because he's an undead, and that's what you're supposed to be able to do, even though he's got all these addictions. Sure, sure. And Giggles wobbles around with exclamation points. Well, he was wobbling previously. And then, because the undead heal, he's healing or something. Maybe he's trying to heal the cut scar in his brain? Come on. And then he just gets up and walks over here. And he's no longer undead. Now, I've tried with many dead people. Some of the dead people over here as well. And I only have one with a cut scar in his brain. And I only have one who's alive after I res him as a zombie. Rescuee joins. Oh yeah, this is in the past. I've done this stuff already. And I only have one who turns alive after being a zombie. I can only assume maybe it's trying to heal the cut scar in the brain, because that's what happens with the undead. They heal the wounds, and it fails. So for some reason... Huh. Well, this guy's still got a shot off right leg, though. Well, then I don't know. It only seems to happen for Giggles. Something fun to note, I only noticed that he was such a pain because he kept falling over unconscious because he has the undead's work schedule. I thought... Generating planet. I thought he was a pain because of the cut scar in his brain, and I'm like, he's not worth it. He's got a silly name. That's the only reason why I rezzed him was because I like that name. Good name. I've had him in a previous colony, and I wanted to have him again. But, yeah. Just not worth it.